Today we're going to install the DirtyBike Industries Front Fender on the Light Bee. We chose white. I think it looks good with the green, but there's all sorts of colors available on AmericanSur-Ron.com. What you get in the kit are 3 stainless steel screws and 3 aluminum top head washers, or step washers if you'd like, that come with it. And to install it, all we need is the Allen key that came with your Sur-Ron. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the top head washers and put them into place on top of the fender, and that's just under the black fill-ins. And they should press nicely into place like that and stay in there. And this hole right here. Those will allow us to install it onto the bike. Find your place under here. Step the fender into place. I like to put the screw through first in the top. Look at the top, and then guide it into place, and then now go into the bottom. All right, so then we'll grab the second screw. Okay, and the third. And get them started and tighten them all up. And you want them pretty snug, maybe 5 or 6 foot-pounds. Not real tight, you'll crack the plastic. So once they're all up there and nice and snug, we'll just give them one good little tighten. That's it. That's all there is to it.